Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students, welcomes you all in the class 9th English. Today starting the chapter, I would like to inform you that in class 9th English you have two books. First one is Beehive, another one is Movement, along with your grammar book. So today we have chosen the chapter number 1 from the Beehive book. Chapter number 1 we have chosen the Beehive book, that is The Fun They Had. So basically children, this story belongs from the study difference between the two types of the categorization, what we are doing in the present time through the textbooks and all, and in future how the students will do the study through their email, computers, like that. So this story is written by Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov was a professor as well as the writer. So what in this story the author tells us? Author tells us the difference between what the students are doing the study from the textbooks, and in the same manner after the 150 or 160 years what will be a scene. So basically starting the story, I would like to introduce the main characters, who is who. So in this story, the first one very important character is a Margie. Margie wrote in her diary on 17 May 2157 that Tommy found a real books. Who is Tommy? Tommy is a 13-year-old boy. The next character is in this, the Mrs. Jones. She is the mother of Margie, and the mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher who is in this story? The robotic computer teacher, basically who teach the kids on the computer. Last but not least, here is a county inspector. County inspector, what is the role of the county inspector? If anything is going to be wrong or anything is missing, like any part is not doing work proper way in the computer, so he repairs the mechanical teachers and sets them correctly. Like what the homework students, kids used to get on the computer. If anything is missing or any problem is there, so that work is done by the county inspector. So I already told you that Margie wrote in her diary, the first line is there, that Tommy found a real book, a real textbook. So might be you're thinking ki what is the meaning to say about the real books. Real books are those books which we study from through the textbooks. Textbooks present time, like we people are doing study through the help of the textbooks. So that textbook was in the hand of the Tommy. So Tommy told her that I got this book from my grandfather. And where was the attic? The place is the attic. Attic is a place somewhere just we people used to use as a storeroom or houses. So both the students were very both the kids, Margie and the Tommy, very surprised to see that textbook, because I already told you that 150, 160, what would be the scene of the academic in the next time. So that type of the difference, because they saw this type of the book first time. And in that book they saw there is letters or alphabets that are still means they were not moving. When though where the Margie and Tommy were doing the study, that letters or alphabet, the everything used to move on their screen. So the book, what is the condition of the book? Book is a totally the yellowish book is there, like the book is there and book is totally the yellowish is there, the pale pages are there, because means the when we are having the books, so many old books are home also, or we can find out library or somewhere, when the books becomes very old, so somewhere the color of the pages used to change. So that is why Tommy just shown that the pages of the books is yellow and the cranky pages is there. But still they were a very interesting way they used to read out the stories from that book and after that the difference is there. Then both were having a discussion what will in the story is there, because in that story they found that the story is based on the school life. So Margie asked to Tommy, what they can write down about the school, what is the special thing is written there about the school, because school is the same, and what is the need, or what the person can write down about the school in the books. And then they had the discussion also. Tommy told that I had so many books on my computer, and then that books are save over there. Even the one book textbook is there, after one time it is after reading or study it may be useless. So Margie also agree with him, but somewhere they were just busy to find out what is inside their book, and what type of the differentiation between there. So meanwhile they were doing same thing. In the same time, Margie's mother called her. Margie's mother call her, Margie, come, and this is your class time. What is the class time? Means Margie used to study at her room only, and where is that her class is situated? Her class is situated near to her the bedroom. She used to sit over there, and on the same time on the computer screen she used to get all the assessments, all the lectures on the same thing, and she has to do. So Margie's mother is here. I want to mention again, Mrs. Jones called her, and she used to told her also, Margie, this is now your class time, and might be it is the same class time for the Tommy also. So Tommy also about to go, so Margie asked him, would you show me the textbook, this textbook again, we will see and we will discuss about what is there. So the Tommy said, okay, yeah, bye, we will see and we will discuss about the same thing. And earlier, while they were watching the book and they were just observing all the things what is written about the schools, so they saw very special thing. In earlier time, people used to go to the school, they sit in the same classroom, they study together, they discuss all the things. But Margie doesn't like her school. Even she hates her school. And what is the reason? Reason is there, what the lecture or what the assessment she is just getting on the her computer screen, especially from the geography. So that things, that assessments, she is doing bad and bad. And somewhere the mother was not happy with her about her performance. So she decided, if anything is going wrong on that, so she decided to call the mechanical teacher. So in the same time when the mother used to call the mechanical teacher, Margie was happy. Margie was happy because Margie thought it will be take a long time, and after that what will be the free time, I'll enjoy or I will see other things. So when Margie's mother used to call the county Margie mother called to the mechanical teacher, robotic teacher, that the county inspector. So he came and he just repair all the things. So that when he did the correction on that same thing, he correct the robot and given all the things. And when while he was just doing the correction on that computer screen of Margie's, so in that time he had given an apple to the Margie. So in this way, the author want to just describe that she is just a very small, healthy or good child is there. And after done the correction, he told to Mrs. Joan, your child is more than pretty good, pretty well in her test, her academic, all the ways. This is not basically fault of the Margie. This is fault of the computer assessment or the what the sets up over there, because as per her age, the over extra chapters she is getting there. So she is doing pretty well as per the label of what the questions for that assessment she is getting. But meanwhile, when the person used to done the correction over there, Margie was not happy with that. So Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether, because she was expecting that as per the once Tommy's history portion was missed, and that Tommy's teacher away for nearby month because the history sector had been blanked out completely. So she was hoping for the same, as per the Tommy was free for more than the 1 month about her about his history lecture, so she'll get relaxed. But no, it was not happen, because in the same time the county inspector done all the correction on her computer lecture, and about that computer sector he has done all the correction over there. So after that, so she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about the schools? Why would anyone write about the schools? Because somewhere it is very surprising thing, what is there about to write. So Tommy looked at her with her the superior eyes, and he explained to Margie that there is so many things to write about the schools, because the lofty of the things over there, he added all the pronunciated words about the centuries ago. So in that time the Margie's was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. So she read about the book, and she spent all the time, and they would have about discuss about the teachers. And in that time, in that book was written that there were the live teachers, like what we people are there. We people used to teach you inside the classes. We people used to go through the study academic, what we people are doing from the textbook. Like I am also doing using textbook studying, you people also doing textbook. So same thing were there. But after, when the time will come, so for children, already I told you what the Margie and Tommy had the discussion about, the what type of the teachers were there in the what the present, like the Margie and the Tommy is doing study through the computer teacher and through the screen and all. And when they had their textbook in their hand, and there is a description about the live teachers, so they had the teachers, live teachers, and they were having the discussion about what the teachers not used to came on the screen, or not they were on sits over there. The teachers used to be there just inside the building, inside the classrooms, and where all the students used to sit together and they study same thing. So meanwhile, the Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, called her about her that this is the time of her class, and mother told to Margie that this is maybe a time for Tommy too. So both went on the same places, but in this time, the Margie got the work on the screen, and that screen she got the maths fractions. And before that, the county inspector, the mechanical teachers, county inspector already I told you to done the correction on the screen of the Margie's geography chapter. So now at the time of present time, Margie received the work from the mechanical teacher. Who is mechanical teacher? The robotic computer teacher, who has given the instruction to Margie that do the sums, do the enter the homework before, and after that you have to solve the problems, solve the assessment. So same thing Margie was doing, and but Margie's mind was not there, because she was thinking the fun, they had. She loved all the old days, old moments, what they were doing, and continuous they were thinking about what were written in the textbook. Because basically, my dear students, what we are doing now, you can categorize, because present time, due to some circumstances, we are just doing the online classes. And same thing in this chapter also. All the discussion in this chapter is a differentiate between the online classes, computer classes, or what the email classes. We people are trying to complete all the tasks, but you people used to go to the classes also. So which type of the system you people love most? Would you like to come to the school with your friends, sit over there? You love to discuss all the problems with your teachers, with your friends inside the school building. You play together, you enjoy all the things. Or you want to sit at your home alone, and you have to sort out all the problems, all the things, all the assessments by your own alone. So I hope you understand this chapter, the Margie and the Tommy, the fun they had. And the fun they had, they are having a discussion about the e-classes and the textbook classes. So you go through by the chapter, try to understand the chapter. Once again, you go through by the text questions also. And if you are having any kind of the query or any problem, you are free to discuss. Thank you.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.